ngithi nje angivele bangangithembisile on my last video ngikade ngikhulume nenkosi yakwaButhelezi uZuzifa ngicela ukuthi akangibize azongigweba ngokumsukela ngithi uFrode iWilliam Ntwana Mangosuthu Buthelezi. Ngiyabona uthule kuze kube manje akafuna ukungigweba angibizele enkantolo yakaButhelezi ke ngizochaza ukuthi ngimsukelelana umuntu ohlonishwa kangaka esizweni sakaButhelezi bakithi. Ngiyabona ukuthi kushuthi angithintile ngokwanele, and I have mentioned ukuthi kunezinto that I know of engithule naso ngoba ngilokho ngiyinikile enhlizweni yami ukuthi yonke lento izozenzakalela ngoba yaqala iqalele izenzakalela. Kodwa manje inhlupheke engiphila ngaphansi kwayo ngibophekile ngingakwazi kwenza lutho, ngibe ngizazi ngihlakaniphile ngidlula mhlamba ngazi abantu abangaki abazazi ukuthi nabo bahlakaniphile. Besides ukuhlakanipha, I'm very ambitious and a hard worker. Ayikho mina into ngathi nginika yona ngithi angikwazi ukuyenza. I thrive, I push with all I got if I need something. But ikulokhu kuvalekele move emsamo. Okumsamo bese ngishilo kanjalo ukuthi ngathola ukuthi ngizalwa uyu umntwana Mangosuthu Buthelezi. Ngikuthola ngonyaka ka-2023 okuyiwona nyaka akhothama ngawo, and since ekhotheme kwaphela mina ngempilo yami ngalahlekelwa umsebenzi kwathiwa ngisuspendiwe ngicala lame kuthiwa kune customer complaint into engekho la ngathethwa icala angangahola ngafakelwe 3000 ngenyanga nawe ngangubona uyimesi because kwi-insurance mawusebenza ungenacala nje usebenza kahle mawungafaka ngomsebenzi awuholelwa mali. Kodwa mina babe ngifakela njalo 3000 since September, which was the month engagcina ngayo ukhola nje umholo wami ubuphelele, baze bama ngoMarch yangabe saqhubeka. April kwathiwa kube ne hearing engayithola notification yakhona bathi basende email, angiyitholanga leyo email ngoba ifone yayinaleyo email yayiye for repairs. Kwaphela nje kanjalo selokhu ke ngahlala ke angisebenzi, ngiyahlupheka, ngisizwa abangisizayo la ku Facebook akukho umuntu ekuthiwa ngizalana naye owakithi ongisizayo. So sekudonsa isikhathi eside such that nade bengisiza sebemile bayakhathala nabo nkosami kuya-understandeka. Sengithi ake ngisize mina ke manje. I think lendlala engibambe kangaka nenhlupheke engibambe kangaka ibikhandelwa ngamabomu kunginika isibindi sokuthi makufika lesi sikhathi ngithi angife kanye ngoba ngifile ngihlukile nomuntu ofile mina. Ngiyaphila mina, ngiyayithanda impilo, ngiyabathanda abantu, angikwazi nokukhuluma nabantu, limele inhliziyo yami ihlala yophigazi. So ke sengiyayi-understanda yonke lento bihlangene nokuthi kumele mangikhulume engikutsheliwe nokusenqondweni yami. Futhi okungichazayo ke ngibonile ukuthi mawukhuluma indaba zasendle enkulu kunyakaza amabutho akuthungathe athi ayakufuna. Mina ngidingi nokuthi ningizeni ngifuna, mina engidingayo mina engifuna nina niyeke kulokho enishendeza niziba nilazi iqiniso. Hlale ngizwa abantu becomplaina ngokuthi umntwana uMangosuthu ushiye emoshile isizwe ngokushiya inkosi uMisuzulu lapha esihlalweni. But ngibona ukuthi abayi understand the damage that he has done. Simoshakele ngempela isizwe. As long as sahlela uMisuzulu kulesa sihlalo, nothing will ever go right kwaZulu. And okungichaza kakhulu ukuthi ukwenza kwakhe konke kuyamphika. Kuyaphika ukuthi no, not this one. Bayambandaza ke shembandla abaziyo iqiniso kodwa abafuna ukuthi kuhlale kuthiwe izinto zasebukhosini ayikhulunywa, izinto zesizwe ayikhulunywa. Bebona abantu befa bebulawa yikhukhula. Amakhosi adinwe ayafa asekhathele lembudane yobukhosi obuhleli esihlalweni esingena foundation esitshekile. Angiboni nokuthi ayakhuluma nalo sebukhosini njengamanje amyalele ukuthi yini adinga ukuyenza. Uzumbona umuntu ehlala ekhosozela eceleni konyazi ngoba yena kana signal edonsayo nje into yakhe. Ekuthiwa nangu kumuntu okuyena onikezwe amandla, nangu uyalelwa abamphethe. Ngoba phela mangabe usuku lesa sihlalo usuku usuhamba neyinkunzimalanga zamakhosi. Angeke urely kwenye indoda ukuthi uzothola iguidance na protection uphiwa amandla ngaka. So everything is pointing south. Akuyikho engizokusho nje ukuthi umntwana Mangosuthu ulwa nokulwa kangaka ukufaka uMisuzulu esihlalweni ingoba wenza damage control of damage yakhe nempilo yakhe ne background nokwazi amahlazo angathi mangase kuthiwa izinto zenziwa ngendlela kuhlazeke bona. So for image ne protection yabo personally, he decided to make that foul decision, which affects the nation in a very harsh manner. We've become isizwe esingasena sithunzi esingasahlonipheki ade sibizwa ngamakhawe siyinhlekisa namhlanje. Hayi ngoba uMisuzulu engasithanda isizwe kwala amakhosi uqobo awayifuni yonke le yanto. Even if he wanted ukwenza izinto kahle, it will never happen. Ze ubone the day ade kuthiwa kuyovulwa istatue selembe eKing Shaka Airport. Lesa sigameko sentombazane yayibhikishilwa. For someone who's spiritually woke, they will know ukuthi Lembe wasn't pleased about that event. He never wanted to partake. Wayisebenzisa le ntombazane ukukhombisa ukuthi lento enyenzayo I'm not part of it. You just doing imicimbi like you always do in my name, and humiliated uMisuzulu like he did. And that is nothing. Worse is still coming. Lama humiliation amafamba lokho wenza every now and then. It's nothing if they do not stand up and face the reality and do what is meant to be done. Angizokubalula okuningi kwamanje ngizokhipha nje emkodleni wami okugodwa ukuthi njengoba ngithi umntwana Mangosuthu ubenza damage control mangabe eshushumbisa ukuthi kungena umntwana uMisuzulu lapha kulesa sihlalo. Mangabe ubheka iinfluence abenayo umntwana Mangosuthu esihlalweni, he would have become king himself if bekuyanga ngepower anayo, ngisho king of the Zulus. And mangizwa ngokomlando ukuthi igama elithi uMangosuthu livela kanjani, yingoba abakapithelezi babekhalaza ngokuthi amanga osuthu ke lawa kusilethela lengane la. The actual fact is uma ngosuthu akazalwa kaButhelezi, akazalwa inkosi Mathole, and they know it. Okwenzeka ukhondolo lisuka lemuva ukuthi umntwana uNdlunkulu, umntwana Magogo azagcina ethola umntwana etholiswa omunye wabafowabo bakaZulu. OwakaZulu uMangosuthu. AmaNgosuthu avela kanjalo, awaveli ngokuthi ingoba bakaButhelezi babengakholwa ukuthi ukhulelwe ngoba behluleka ukuthola umntwana isikhathi eside. Ingoba bekuplantwa nje umntwana endaweni engesikhona. So that didn't end there. Even himself uthole abantwana abaningi ngaphandle komshado wakhe. Engibaziyo mina bawu11 bengaphelele. Kulabo bantwana akekho noyedwa ungakukhulumela into emnandi ngobaba wakhe. Ngoba ubekwenza such that labo bantwana uba beka bakhuliswe amanye amadoda ngezinye izibongo. Lento le eyenzeka kuyena qala isidlulela ebantwaneni bakhe. Ngikutshela ukuthi iukhondolo to an extent ukuthi khona enganeni zakho uMangosuthu ayizala ngaphandle ayithola no Ndlunkulu wakaZulu, indlovukazi yakaZulu, okuwumzala wakhe ngoba umama umzalayo ubevela eNdlunkulu yakaZulu. So ekwenzekeni kwayo yonke leyo nto, everything has been a lie. Everything, and he was there to cover his tracks because he knew the truth and how to sustain his power. He did what he could up until the time he had to pass on. And that's when everything now, engasenayo control, akusenzeki, sesiyahlupheka ke thina ke singenzanga lutho ke esiyikhuliselwa abantu esaplantwa kubona. Futhi akekho hlupheka ukufika kumina. Ekuyimina obengazazi waze wakhothama waze wangcwatshwa mina ngedwa engangekho emncwabeni ngoba ngangazi ukuthi ubaba wami ebese kuzothi mangabe kumuntu efika ekhuluma noZizifo emtshela ngale ndaba abuza umbuzo very insensitive ukuthi benhleli kuphi kuze kube lesi sikhathi ngoba umntwana uphile waze wano 90 over 90 years. Kithi ngizohlala kuphi ngazini ngoba bengazi lento isivela manje sivezwe abantu abadala ngamaphupho nangezibonakaliso. Ongizalayo usaphika namhlanje ngoba phela kwenziwa izifungu masizaleka nezibopho. Ngibuza ukuthi ke kulaba abaziyo ke yena uZozifa mina sithi ngifike ngumafika izolo ngifike ekugcineni. Ubani amnakekelayo namnakile njengosisi wakhe namnikeza iright yokuthi umntwana kaMntwana okukhombisa ukuthi akaqhubeki nalesisenzo salo baba wethu ayesenza. Kungani? Kwakwenze njani? Ngabe ihlobo lesithwalo lalukhona to maintain his power. Kwakufanele akhuleliswe mhlawumbe ama virgins or whatever, and then bese ayaphakama njalo amandla akhe angapheli. Bese lezo ingane kufanele ngabe ingxenye yempilo yazo. So nawe nje buhleli kuleso sihlalo sakhe kufanele uqhubeke ngaphansi kwezikhwama zakhona. Ufuna sicabange nzuzifa ngawe. Why did you forge your will? Bani amagama khona ekhona lapho kuyiwili. Why ungamtsheli omunye wabantwana okhona lapho kuyiwili ke le yakho ikhande wena ukuthi ukhona? do I still stand here and believe ukuthi kwayiwena uzalwa uyena uMangosuthu? Because ngesikhathi esahambileyo Jola nalabo bataye Jola nabe bazalisa bonke laba bazalisa uma wakho yena ubehlele enzani bebhala u4 hayi bozuzifa ngeke mina ngeke mfethu sekwanele ngiyanibona senibizene noma isiZulu usekwenza ngazi usihlalo ngazi wani into enaziyo ukuthi ayikho man nidlala ngesizwe angiyajabula ke futhi mase nihleli ndawonye kanjalo ngoba ngilabo ezongibamba khona kahleke hayi kodwa mina sengikhathele bandla ngibonile ukuthi mangabe umuntu ekhuluma kabi ngendlu enkulu kudikiza amabutho athungathwe nani I'm ready, I'm here for you. Tell me when you need my address. Ningibulale nje ngife caca ukuthi ngifile ngikhathele kodwa okusalayo hayi ngiyokhuluma ngiyofa ngikhulumile ukuthi lamanyala enwenzayo nidlala ngeimpilo zabantu zesizwe sonke ngoba nifuna ukuhlala ehlaleni niqoqobale nazi kahle ukuthi they are not rightfully yours. Wena Zuzifa nje leso sihlalo sakabuthelezi wazi kahle deep down akusona sakho. Bakhona abantwana abanqangelele who are qualifying for ukuhlala kuleso sihlalo. So nje I'm provoking you and I will continue as long as ungakangithinti. Angeke mina ngeke ngidlale mina umuntu ophilayo. Nami ngiyaphila. Nami ngowasebukhosini. I've got a royal blood like you. So what gives you authority to think you can manipulate my life like you do? It's enough. It is enough. It has to come to an end. If unali gazi la shenge in your blood, why don't you ask me to come and have a DNA test with you? It's because yours is now we bomb. But I don't blame you. Kusuke emuva makhulunywa ngokhondolo, but it's time that all the curses that comes along with it they break. We cannot feed your happiness with our blood. Kazi lethu leli siyakhala. Yazi one of my brothers wakwakhuluma into ebuhlungu ozalo uMangosuthu wathi ngendlela engizwe ngayo ubuhlungu empilweni yami ngendlela ubaba ngizwise ngayo isihluku sokungafuni ukuba ubaba wami engizala if ngingashona ingalungiswanga lento yesibongo sami ngiyopoka angeke ngiphumule ngiyopoka mina ke angizolinda ukushona ngipoka ngiphila manje kubiza ukuphila lento engiyenzayo mhlawumbe ngoba vele ade ngafa I won't rest ngisalala ngingadlile angeke ngireste noshenge la ekhona ngisho alele ngithula asoze hawu ngabe inyembezi zami zamanzi aneshukela iglucose hayi ngiyakhala angikhali ngoba ngitetema mina nginesibindi kabi ngangazi nokuthi ngiyakwazi ukukhala hayi kodwa ngiyakhala manje so nje aningilandeni bakwethu ngibulaleni kucace it's a pity ngizalwa namagwala asabayo ukuveza ubuhlungu babo abathi bayolinda kuze kupokwe ngeke mina ngiyopoka ngiphila nje bangipoka nje manje khuluma Zuzifa wayishintshelani wili what were you hiding shenge bese funa ukulungisa indlela zakhe ebona isikhathi sesimphelele wena safuna ukuqhubeka qoqoba lesihlalo fanele uqhubeke phezulu kwamanga guys have to stop musana uba selfish necabangela cabangalana isizwe hawu isizwe sakazulu isizwe sikhulu kangaka esinamandla esihlonipheke kangaka nasiphendula imfeketho hayi man phendula ngicela ungitshele mina nebutho lakho ukuthi Ningidinga nini? Nonginquma nje kucaca ukuthi ngifile ngoba ayikho lento yenu. Ngeke mina ngiphile kanje. Ngidlala nina nobukhosi benu obubolile.